am going to revise the previous topic, our muscular system. Our muscular system. Our muscles help us to movement. One place to another place. Help us to movement. To exercise daily, to eat healthy food and take your care of your muscles. To exercise daily, eat healthy food and take care of your muscles. Okay. There are 646 muscles found in the body, human body. How many muscles? 646 muscles are found in the human body. Okay. The bones are attached to the muscles. The bones are attached to the muscles. The skins are covered with the muscles. Skins are covered with the muscles. The muscles are attached to the tough fibrous tissues is known as tendon. It is help us to movement of the muscles. Okay, the tendon. Tendon is the tough fibrous tissues. Fibrous tissues. Tough fibrous tissues. The movement of the bones, the movement of the muscles needed to contraction and relaxation of muscles. Movement of the bones, the movement of the bones, contraction and relaxation of the muscles. Relaxation of the muscles. What is the meaning of contraction? Contraction meaning the process of shortening or tightening. Process of shortening or tightening. Contraction means. Relaxation means the process of loosening or lessening. The contraction means the process of shortening or tightening. The relaxation meaning the process of loosening or lessening. Next one. Thus the muscles are needed to movement the triceps and biceps muscles. Triceps, biceps and triceps muscles. Biceps and triceps muscles for forearm. The biceps muscles are contract and shorter length shorter length due to the forearm up. The triceps muscles contract and shorter length due to the forearm down. The biceps and triceps muscles are needed to forearm from the up and down, up and down. Now we are going to learn about the next part of the lesson. Next part, types of muscles. Types of muscles. Types of muscles. The muscular system is made up of different types of muscles. Based on their structure and function of the muscles are three types. First one, skeletal muscles. First one, skeletal muscles. Second one, smooth muscles. Second one, smooth muscles. Third one, cardiac muscles. First one, skeletal muscles, smooth muscles and cardiac muscles. Skeletal muscles are attached to the bone, smooth muscles are attached to the intestine digestive systems, cardiac muscles are attached to the wall of the heart. Now we are explain the skeletal muscles. You learn the first one, skeletal muscles. It is the skeletal muscles. The skeletal muscles are attached to the bones of the body. It is attached to the bones of the body. Bones of the body. Bones of the, muscles. Bones of the muscle. Second point is, it is the external parts of, what are the external parts? The outside the organ is known as the external organ. The outside organ is known as the external organ. The external organs of legs, arms, shoulder, neck, tongue, ear are found in the skeletal muscles, are found in the skeletal muscle. The skeletal muscles are involuntary muscles. Third point, it is found in the voluntary muscles. Voluntary muscles. For example, we use the leg muscles when we When we walk, run or jump. Which one is support for the skeletal muscles? Then when we walk and jump for the skeletal muscle, use for the skeletal muscle. Second one, smooth muscles. Second one, smooth muscles. Smooth muscles. Smooth muscles are found in the digestive system. The smooth muscles are found in the internal organs of the digestive system. Internal organs mean inside the organ. In body, inside the organ is known as the internal organ. Already you learned the internal organ. What are the internal organs? Lungs, heart, stomach, intestine, or the internal organ. Brain also, okay, brain, kidney also internal organ. These smooth muscles are found in esophagus in the digestive system, in the food pipe of the esophagus. Another name is food pipe. Food pipe. Esophagus. Next one, stomach. Intestine or intestine. Intestine are two: small intestine, large intestine. Small intestine and large intestine. சிறுகுடல், பெருங்குடல், உணவு பாதை, வயிறு பகுதிகளில் smooth muscle வந்து attach ஆகிருக்கு, சேர்ந்து join பண்ணிரும். Found in the smooth muscles in the esophagus, stomach, intestine, for small intestine and large intestine. It is the, for example, we use the digestive system. Digestive system contraction contract and release, contract and release on their foot to inside the foot, pulling the foot inside easily. Okay. Next, these muscles, these smooth muscles are also known, also called as involuntary muscles. Involuntary muscles. Okay. Next one, cardiac muscles. Next one, cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles. It is attach the heart walls, wall of the heart. Wall of the heart. The cardiac muscles are special type of muscles. It is the cardiac muscles are special type of muscle. Type of muscles. It is attached the walls of the heart. Walls of the heart. To ensure rhythmic contraction continuously pumps the blood to entire part of the body. To entire body. Okay, children. It special type of muscles. It is attached to the walls of the heart for the cardiac muscle. It ensure rhythmic contraction continuously pumps the blood to entire part of the body for the muscles. Okay, these muscles are also called as involuntary muscles. Involuntary muscles. Involuntary muscles. Involuntary muscles are voluntary and involuntary. Some muscles are attached. Some more muscles are move on the muscle. That muscles are involuntary muscle. Some muscles are does not move. Okay, that muscles are involuntary muscles. Okay, one more time I will repeat. For the types of muscles are: first one skeletal muscle, second one cardiac smooth muscle, smooth muscle, third one cardiac muscles. Skeletal muscle, smooth muscles and cardiac muscles. Skeletal muscles are attached to the bones of the body. Okay, the skeletal muscles are example for fingers, next neck, shoulder are known as skeletal muscle. The skeletal muscles are voluntary muscles. Next one smooth muscle. Smooth muscles are attached to the digestive system of esophagus, small intestine and large intestine. Okay, the cardiac smooth muscles are involuntary muscles. Next one cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle is the special type of muscle. It attaches the walls of the heart to ensure rhythmic contraction, continuously pumps the blood to the entire body. These muscles are cardiac muscles are involuntary muscles. Okay, children, thank you.